Hi guys, welcome back. So I have a little bit of free time on my Sunday, so I decided to do a quick little Walmart haul. I don't know if it's really quick. I shouldn't say it's quick, but as you know, from time to time, I randomly post videos from Walmart. No, it is not sponsored. No, I'm not endorsing Walmart. No, I do not have affiliate links. It's just a good old casual haul. As you can see, I'm very casual today. I'm going after this to get some adjustments done. So I figured I was semi put together and I needed to get a few of these things out before they were actually gone. And they've been sitting here. A few things I've worn, other things I have not. So I'm going to shut the grocery getter and get right in to the video. So I'm going to start out, excuse me, with a few pair of shoes. And the boots here, these first ones that I got are super cute. And I have wore these several times. They have great traction, they're comfortable, and they're true to size. And those are the Time & Tru. And they do have the memory foam in them, so they are fairly comfortable. Like I said, it's kind of in the transition here in Wisconsin, so those are great shoes for this time of the year. The next ones, I wear these to and from the gym or when I'm running somewhere. They are the fur Birkenstock look things. You know, they're somewhat comfortable and they're, you know, a little fun, but I wouldn't say you have to run out and get them. I did buy the cream color and they do come in other colors, and I wished maybe I would have brought the black because I would probably wear those a little bit farther into the fall season into winter, but I didn't. They're just kind of fun. They have gold buckles on them. Every time I wear them, somebody has something fun to say to me, so I've enjoyed them. So these, I'm not sure I'm going to keep them. They are supposedly like a Sorel dupe, and the stuff on them's kind of plasticky. I'm not sure it's exactly, you know, my cup of tea. And they were also almost $30. So at that point in time, I think I'd rather probably spend, you know, $60, $70 and have more of a quality shoe. But if you are looking for a dupe or you just find them cute, they do have really good bottoms on them. Those are very similar to the Sorel. And I have not wore these, as you can see the tags on them, but I will try them on in the haul for you so you can see them. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to post this at the end of this video or if I'm going to do something on Instagram. So the next thing I picked up was just a nude colored bra, and it is just a wireless one, a lightly padded, pretty self-explanatory. This is a No Boundaries also. Another shirt I have worn quite a few times, and they have these in several colors. This is the Time & Tru stretchy. Like, it's very stretchy. As you can see, it's very stretchy. I also have another one of these in black, and I picked another one up in the very dark green. These are, if you buy them in a smaller size, they're very fitted. If you buy them maybe a size or two bigger, they're a little more relaxed, but they wash up great. I hang them to dry, and they're like super cheap. So this here is I think it's Avia, and it has kind of a cowl neck on it, and it's got a little bit of like a herringbone design on there. And as you can see, it's got the thumb holes in here, and it's very long. I am 5'7.5", and this covers by far my rear end quite a ways. So I have not wore this yet, just because I'm trying to scale back a few things that I already have in my closet. I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like $16, $17. But like I said, I've had pretty good luck, and it's a gray color, medium gray, that'll pretty much look classic. So this here I picked up, as you can see, it's got kind of like a holographic with a drawstring on the bottom. The drawstring does not actually work. And I did pick this up from the kids department. This is a 14-16 because I wanted it to be kind of small. I have some silver leggings that I intend on wearing with it. And it's just a very lightweight knit top that I thought would be super fun. And it was probably like $8 or $9. So I also picked up a Sherpa zip up with a toggle at the end. It's got, oh, this is a No Boundaries also, and I did buy it in the medium. It is, sorry about the color changing. Just basic. Like I said, I usually turn these inside out when I wash them. I have washed this quite a few times, and if you buy your true size, it is pretty fitted and cropped. So far, I have been liking them. Most of the Sherpa that I've gotten from Walmart, you know, obviously it's not top quality, but it's pretty good. So here's another shirt in the black that I got. That's the stretchy material, like the print one that I showed before. And let's see here. Little couple last things I'm going to show. I have a jacket here. I wish I could have got this in the smaller size. It has a silver zip up. The hood does zip off and on. It's got a fleece little collar. This is Time and True only. I got it in a size 4-6. And I think it was like, I don't know, $29.99, something like that. And I wish I would have got it in the smaller size because this actually kind of fits big through the body. I mean, I know I'm kind of small through there, but I'm also tall and it is very long. So that's a good part on it too. I have only worn this once. That's what the camel stuff looks like up close. And like I said, it's got fleece in a couple places, like around the collar and that. I have not washed that, so I can't attest to how it would hold up. The last thing I got was an oversized flannel. As you can see, it's kind of a rust color. It's got kind of a thermal hood on it and a drawstring. It buttons down the front. I did get it in a bigger size. I got it in 11-13, and I wear it with leather leggings and those boots, and I've worn that a few times and have washed it, and it's so far it's held up really great. So we got through all of that. If you want to see another try-on haul, please comment down below, or comment down below what are some of the items that you've gotten from there, or if you have some of them, whether you like them or not. I am going to shut my grocery getter, and I will see you in the next video.